forgot what happened. I forgot over these years what he been doing, what we been doing, and he been doing individual streams and then work to play too.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. All right, 400 likes if you don't mind, appreciate it. Thank you. All right, this is the first time I've ever done something like this. I'm doing unboxing on the farm. I am gonna do the on foot, but the on foot definitely ain't gonna be on the farm, no sir. So like I said, I actually wanted to do this unboxing. It's the first time I wanted to do it on the farm in front of the homies. You know what I'm saying? We all chilling, you know what I'm saying? Make a move, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even gotta. Anyway, I got the joint, you know what I'm saying? Had the joint out, So yeah, this is from Fourth Rope right here. Bam. Griselda, you already. Westside Gun, they had a drop, and they had the Yokozuna Master Fuji joint. They had a couple colors, but I was like, yo, this black is like, it's on point, right? Word? You see? No, you can't borrow it. You got scared. Can't borrow. He's scared of Yokozuna, you know what I'm saying? Yo, don't worry, he ain't coming.
Pause.
But anyway, yeah, this is the Yokozuna joint. You got Yokozuna with the belt, Master Fuji right there. Black, obviously. This is a heavyweight joint. All these heavyweight tees, I get them in a size medium. Pause if you have to anything else, be like that. So they do fit very well. Got Fourth Rope on the back in red. Scorpions on the sleeves. Yeah, but nah, yo, the quality is dope, yo. For real, I can't wait to rock these. Hey, I'm thinking Jordan 3, you know what I'm saying? Jordan 3, black cements. All right, moving along. Shout out my guy, JPP86. They waiting, they want to see what's in the bag, you know what I'm saying? Or they want to see what's in the box. They definitely want to see what's in the box. Y'all want to see? All right, cool. All right, like I said, shout out to my guy, JPP86. Hit me off with the, you know, throwing me the oop on these because I've been wanting these for a minute. And since ain't nothing really been dropping, I've been able to go back, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, you got them. Yes, sir. Got the Air Max DT96, my correct sneaker size. I'll just pull out one of them. We good. I get some B-roll. You already. It's that joint, right? Man, they feeling them. So anyway, yeah, like I said, just a couple views before we get into this on foot. Deion Sanders joints. There's a bang with a Colorado jersey. Yeah. Ooh, these joints is nice. I'm definitely rocking these real soon. So anyway, man, quick look. Sole right there, mostly white sole, black Nike check, black up cheer. You know what I'm saying? You got your air unit right there with Deion Sanders encased in yellow. Take to the medial side, white midsole that you got to keep clean. Black color blocking coming through. Air unit right there, wrapping all the way around the heel. The upper, black and white. The black is nubuck. Yellow Nike swoosh right here. Take it to the lateral side. Same as the medial side, except for where the black patterns is. You get some gold hits right there. You got that air unit wrapping all the way around. Then you got your gold Nike swoosh. Front of the joint, my bad, I'm actually doing a review. Front of the joint right here, laces, strap, field goal post in the home plate. You know, we take it to the back of these joints, pause if you have to. Got your black nubuck right here. Swoosh in gold, air, pull tab, yes sir. So I'm not gonna lie, the thing about these was I definitely had to get my correct size. Pause if you have to, but yeah, I wasn't playing. And I did get some offers, but I just heard these run a little too snug, and I'm grateful for what I got. So yeah, man, a couple more looks. Yeah, so I ain't gonna front. This is the first time me having a pair of these joints. If I wouldn't have got them for around like the retail, I definitely wouldn't have copped. But yeah, I definitely need these for the retail. Shout out to you again, JPP86. I appreciate you. So now we're gonna get into that on foot, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna do that in New York. I'm out of here. Shout out to the Wave Mom. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter B. That Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my nigga.
New York was good. Stand up, it's your boy Max, biggest brother. I know y'all forgot about me, but I'm back like I left my car keys. Ow.
Y'all niggas, 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 y'all. Y'all King Chip, extra fresh, put that on my mama now. Light skin with the men's chilling right beside of him. Booty California, shout out to my cousin Jonathan. He been in jealous whole life, now he out here trying to win. Yeah, I'm swagging like Deion Sanders. When he had the jury curling all the answers, they gon' talk about the king until the end of time. If I keep breath up in my lungs, and bitch, you know I'm finna grind. King Chip worth more than Wells Fargo. Put the blunt out on the glass in the marble. Here this nigga go, so full of himself. Oh God, give me head, bitch. Blow job better than no job. She love the way I don't care. Wanna get married to me. Watching news in Cleveland, scarier than scary movie. Smoking in my hotel at the Ritz, trying not to ask on tits. However you feel about chip show ain't gonna change all this. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas. Promise not many niggas living like this. If I was on the toilet, I still wouldn't get two shits. When I spray the tech, all your niggas gon' desert you. Knowing not to fuck with King Chip, it's a virtue. Put up and she got him wearing nothing but a leather coat. Damn, that pussy wet when she got out, had on my leather. So don't be chasing women if she wanna go do so. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. I'm the most organic rap nigga in the galaxy. I don't fuck with broke hoes, bitch, that's my policy. We ain't got no blunts, oh fuck it, roll a joint then. King Chip swagging on your daddy and your boyfriend. Offer me the pussy, I ain't bout to ask, can I? Living on the road, got my condo in the semi. Who gives a fuck if you Democrat or Repub? Is you ballin' like a king or is you broke as the fuck? Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the
Funny niggas I can never stand by. I promise that career's gonna be on standby. Everybody landslide. Stick you in the morning, put your hands out. Early for that paper like your grandpa. You wouldn't understand. Silly puppets bragging like they changed up. And whether up or down, I never changed up. You should be the same, bro. Plenty bills, we got them hanged up. That itty bitty still will leave you stained up. About to switch the game up. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about an island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about an island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Ooh, tell them bombs leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone.
Y'all niggas do, I don't do. I do the other thing. Everything. Y'all niggas go across the street that way, I'm going up. Holla at your boy. I do other things.